See, this small dog, it's already in the age of reproduction. He is still having some mating because the mating season is going on, and because of this reason there are smaller dogs which are not even properly matured. Immature female dogs are getting impregnated. Okay, I'll show you one example. Not this one. This one is mutilated. There are dogs which are not even up to this size, very immature. They are getting impregnated and they are producing babies and creating social troubles. Okay, so this dog is one example. It's not that properly growth, but it's already set to give birth to babies. One more example I'm giving is this black dog you are seeing. It's not even in size, it's very small size, but still got mated by so many dogs. You can see his size, it's too small. See this dog also having a very small size, but eating in the garbage, still producing babies, and which are not even properly matured. And it is here the babies are kept. So the babies are very small babies, as you can see. They are produced from these immature dogs, and they are readily mated because of competition between male dogs. It's a clear example of science.